I'm down in Tom Mullarkey's basement taking a look at 125,000 BTU input furnace. Currently, the furnace is about 30 years old. It is not operating because they have a cracked heat exchanger. Our return drop is 10 by 25. Our supplies, we've got 10 supplies. We've got about 1,100 CFM total on the supply side. The furnace is a D-width furnace. So what we're going to look at doing is a few different options for an 80% or a 95%. Our furnace is currently vented into the masonry flue over there, so if we go back with an 80%, we're going to need to drop a flue liner. So it is 2 stories. We'll have to get up and onto the roof, drop the flue liner down, pull it through, redo the flue venting. So as far as the existing return, it's 10 by 25, and so we'll want to redo it from this seam here down so we can connect it perfectly into the new furnace. I have some ideas on why this current furnace, why it's got a cracked heat exchanger as far as airflow goes, and being just the side return only. We have our natural gas is piped in on the left side, so we'll just be able to pipe in, reuse the existing gas line up to that the nipple connection right there, and then go from there down into the new furnace. And that's it. Oh, and if we go with a high efficiency furnace, as far as venting goes, we'll be able to go up between the joists right on the other side of that joist back there and go up out through the side of the wall.